What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing?
With ACS mobile internet on any computer, you'll get anywhere your cell phone works.
Oh, there you go.
Wi-Fi, Nick, Lo-Fi. It's your little key. Big world. I'm Mark Vegas.
You sound like your daddy. Hey. Hey. Bryson. Hi.
Welcome back to the latest segment of Fairbanks City News. You know what? It's a new week and a new school, so we're going to check out the Kids Weather Watch program this week. Welcome to the school.
You're so funny. Yeah. You're so funny. Are you going to look at these when you're gone?
Hmm?
Is it, are you going to look at these when you're gone? Bryson. Bryson. Hi. Do you have a tickle in your throat? Do you have a tickle in your throat?
No real storms across the lower 48. And by the way, if you want to check they were checking during the Hurricane Ike, go to our website. Listen to this up there.
Do you have a tickle in your throat?